Text files are a simple way to share notes and meeting discussions. In this attack, an employee installs a harmless-looking AI coding assistant extension. Without his knowledge, the extension secretly monitors his file uploads and dynamically replaces links on text files to attacker-hosted phishing links during the file upload process. Since his colleagues trust his documents that are shared through legitimate platforms like Google Drive, the uploaded text files will now lead them to the phishing sites. SquareX offers a comprehensive policy library that enterprises can deploy in seconds to counter web-based threats. The policy to block suspicious browser extensions leverages multiple detection techniques, including behavioral analysis, heuristics, dynamic execution, and AI-driven classification. Once activated, it instantly blocks malicious extensions, preventing users from enabling them again. Admins receive detailed insights about the extension and the IOCs for effective threat hunting. SquareX protects enterprises from hundreds of web attacks, including sophisticated browser extension-based threats. Visit SquareX.com to explore more demos.